difference from whenever the stock one to that one? You do? And I bet you can hear that whine more too. Cause I heard the whine before I even heard your car.
I live in Kings Grant, right?
Yeah. Trust me. Cut the mids, you're gonna thank me later.
That's what I want.
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big loving boom cuz. Let's do it. The big liking boom cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being on all bitch caught the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. Done roofing on that bitch gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime in the do, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real lost star. Used to pull up and shit up the water. Now I'm showing the nigga that targets. Let's do it. Hot little boy now.
That sound like a Hellcat pulling up. I heard that supercharger. I heard a supercharger.
Yeah, man.
I heard it pulling up. What's up, man? You want to shout out your Instagram or anything?
Yeah, man. Forever_Valley. FOREVER_Valley VELI.
What you got going on? Not the red interior.
Little baby. You know.
And the sunroof? And it still smells new.
Yeah, man. Keep it smelling pretty good.
Who did your headlights?
I don't know. Davenport Custom. Yeah, Davenport Custom in Durham.
How long you had it?
Shit, I got it on 11 for last month, actually, man.
You did?
I got it on 11 for last month. Yeah, man, loving it though. Loving it to death, you know.
What you getting into tonight?
Not much, man. Just going around, man. I ain't really been out riding much. I've been out of town a lot.
Right.
Been out in California and stuff, so just been out riding tonight and everything, you know. Nice night tonight.
It's a meeting. We meeting up tonight at 7:30 at Sheets.
At Sheets?
Yeah.
Word. I stay downtown.
You do?
Sure. I'm definitely gonna do it. I've been trying to get in contact with that dude too, man, because I'm trying to get my kit put on my car.
What dude?
The dude that be doing the raps and stuff, man.
Who, Bill Raps?
My car rap, yeah.
Oh.
But he don't be responding to me though.
He don't?
Nah.
Rev it up. You still got your mids on? You still got your mids on?
I don't know what that is.
Take them off. Take them off. Hey, take your mids off.
What is that?
Take your mids off, because it's supposed to be louder. Alright.
I gotta take it somewhere and do it?
Yeah.
Tell me where to take it
To a muffler shop.
What's the good one like? Where I go to do that at?
A muffler shop.
Oh, right. For sure.
I got. See, like, I know yours is supposed to be way louder.
My man's got the Z06. Me and him be riding together, but it just be me and him though.
But yeah, go to a muffler shop. Tell them to cut your mids and resonators. What did you have it in? What mode did you have it in?
Shit. I got a custom.
Oh, you in full. Put it in track, rev it up. Yeah. Trust me. Cut the mids, you're gonna thank me later.
That's what I want.
I promise you.
Stupid loud.
Pop your hood. You put that on there?
Yeah.
Did you tell the difference from whenever the stock one to that one? You do? And I bet you can hear that whine more too. Cause I heard the whine before I even heard your car.
I live in Kings Grant, right? It's a nigga that live in her neighborhood. I'm coming out down the street, it's he in the yard, like, yo. I'm like, yo, what's up, what's good? He's like, bro, I've been trying to catch you. He was like, I be hearing your car whining. He was like, bro, I heard you as soon as you turned on the street, so I was able to like put some shit on and everything and come to you and stop it before you even got here. So,
right.
I don't even be hearing it like that from inside the car, but when I put my windows down and shit, that shit was out there.
I heard that whine, I said, he's somewhere. Then you put up behind me.
Philly. I bought this car in Philly.
Right.
I drove all the way back to Philly with this shit. So I was doing that a little bit.
How many miles you got on it?
32. 32 when I got it, I done put 3,000 on it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I put 3,000 on it. I drove it to Atlanta. Like twice to go out there with my mans. My mans were doing, they some young niggas, they like 21, 22, they all got Hellcats. It's like 8 of them. They all got Hellcats.
I just went out there last month for SRT Brief, her big event.
Yeah. That's how I fucked up my track hawk out there.
Yo, Mopars everywhere.
Yeah, going crazy and that shit. Fucked it up. Them niggas was out there, you see the niggas on 85 and shit?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that was some of my little homies and shit.
Was you out there with them?
Nah, I wasn't out there with niggas. I was in Charlotte. I was out in Charlotte that weekend. I wanted to ride out there.
I will. Hey, we gotta do a video soon.
Yeah, fact.
Hellcat versus...
I'm gonna do something out of here.
Hellcat versus Scat Pack. You say you about to do something? Show off for me. Hold on, let me get my snap ready too. You still got it in track? You still got it in track? Alright. Take off. Take off. Oh, I'm gonna hype anybody up for a YouTube video. Oh, who that is? Yo, who that pulling up beside my car? About to get hurt, man. Oh, you want to give me some footage? Camera's still rolling. Hey, you know I hype anybody up for the YouTube video. Hey, whatever you do is going on YouTube. Oh, you don't hear my car. You heading to the meet? I think they said 7:30 at Sheets. I think, yeah. Hey, how you doing? I'm about to head out there after I pick my food up. Huh? I got some Olive Garden. Alright, man, if I see you out there, I see you. What's up, y'all?
What's up,
Bro, see me in the neighborhood.
Hey, that's just a I ain't gonna lie. This shit was hella loud.
What's up, man?
Good.
Alright, bro. I ain't even gonna comment on that.
What's up, man?
What's going on, Slime?
Man, I just come out here for a little quick footage for work.
Oh, okay. Oh, you gotta work tonight?
Yeah, that's about
You work harder than damn near anybody I know.
7 days, man. 12 hours this weekend.
I swear, every time I see her.
What's going on? You said work clothes?
Every time I see
Hey.
you in work clothes. People probably think I'm a bum. I don't never talk about work. I ain't been to work since November 13th. First of all, you don't even look like you've been to work.
You see yourself on that video? Huh? You see yourself on the video?
I'm shy as hell.
I fixed it up for you. What y'all doing tonight?
I like it. We waiting for everybody to be here. We'll probably go to a swing spot or something. I'm gonna cut up a little bit. Nothing too crazy.
Somebody record footage and send it to me.
Alright. I'll tell you what the problem is, Dave. The problem is, you heard my car a couple months ago. Then you thought, hey, I can make my car rival.
What's that?
Nobody need to know where I work.
Huh?
Nobody need to know where I work.
Yeah, we don't never have no snacks there on the weekend.
Snacks? What you talking about?
The 3.
Pop your shit, twin. Playboy in this bitch.
Bitch, I'm a scam. Bitch, I'm a scam. Bitch, I'm a scam.
I'm a scam.
I'm pulling cars out of scammers. I test they look, so I hit from the road with the hammer. I'm really loving the energy. We push the issue and spit to the fuck niggas move out. We spinning 3D with lots of artillery. I'm tryna knock out his lights like his rent due. Stitching my Glock, bet that bitch I can song to you. I'm putting Pato and Mo, she gon' step behind Kelly. And B, that gon' slide when it's time to ride. We left the scene of bad accident. Fuck nigga reach, I'ma teach you. Shout out the coach, we got loads. And bitch, I'ma ride on 3 letters. Only rapping 3 months and little bitch, I'm a star. Little bitch, I'm a star. Rockstar shit, I be geeked on the road. They thinking I'm planning to tell me go with my flow.
My little nigga spin, Ferris wheel. My flow getting close, so back up, you might catch the Just pass me the runs, little bitch, you can't keep the pills. I'm flexing on niggas with shit and don't got a deal. I